Evening, namaste everyone. This is Sonali Srivastava from Pune. This is my vision board. Before that, I would like to pay my gratitude to all the RYB mentors, as like RYB program has given me a direction to move towards my vision. I was going without any vision. I was just working because after working for 20 years, I went into a very kind of content life that whatever I have, I am happy and इतना save कर लिया है कि life निकल जाएगी. But then RYB had made me realize that I am wasting my potential if I can earn something. And even though I don't want to have a lavish life, so why not give it to the society and at the same time fulfill other dreams which were like hidden and which I have not realized or which I have not aspired to attain. This is my vision board. In the center of the picture, this is my picture, which is not very clear, which says that I will be an iron woman. So yes, I have always been a strong woman, and I want people to look at me as a strong woman. And whatever is the situation, I don't like to give up. So I would start with a quotation which is there in my mind since the time I was in sixth standard after reading from a magazine, which is success is sweet, but its secret is sweat. So you don't achieve anything in life without working for it, and of course persistence and determination is required. So coming to my, and I'm always happy. I don't get depressed very easily because of whatever is the situation. Coming to my financial goals, by profession, I am a career coach as of now, which I have started my journey since last 5 months only. But then, yes, I think this is what something I wanted to do and it gives me satisfaction. So my goal is to be number one and at the same time a respected career coach. So people should not perceive me as someone who is just there to make money. And with my experience also, whenever I counsel students, so just after 3 sessions, the parents are like, so more than a career coach, my child is satisfied. But at the same time, we found you more as a parenting coach because after your 3 sessions, I think the bond between the parent and the student that is stronger, and they have now understood the student better than what they have been doing in the past. So I want to continue with that and want to earn that respect in the society. So coming to my financial goal is by December 2021, I should be earning minimum 4 lakhs per annum through this profession, and passive income of 1 lakh rupees from stock trading, from blog writings, from social media influencing. So this is my financial goal. I want to have my own office by December 2022. As of now, I'm working from home because of pandemic and other reasons. And first I want to earn and then develop my own setup. My second dream is to have a farmhouse by 2025. So these are my financial goals. Coming to my social goals, which is somehow which is linked to my professional profession also. I want to counsel underprivileged students at a very large scale. Once the schools are up, I will be definitely meeting the schools and counseling the underprivileged students because they are lost somewhere. Even they give up even after ninth or 10th standard, thinking that studies are not important and we will go into whatever labor profession my the parents are there. So I want to make them understand their potential and how they can go. Maybe it can be a vocational kind of education also, but they should have some kind of goals in their life. So that is my mission in life. Second thing is being an ex banker. I have seen lot of emails, though they are from rich families, that doesn't matter, but financially they are, you can say, they are illiterate. They don't even know what is savings account, how to use debit card, what is credit card, what kind of home loan. Everything is being managed by the male members of the family. And I have seen those so many unforeseen situations when the husband is no more and wife comes to the bank and she's unaware about everything. So that has actually shattered me because day in day out I have seen those cases. So my objective is to literate those females financially. At least they should know the basics and what they can do in unforeseen situations. Financial independence is one thing, but they should be literate. And there is this picture which says let's talk. So there are at times there are People feel very low, depressed, but they don't know whom to talk, so that at least they can lighten their burden. So I am always available for these people. uh, I- uh, Maybe because if I see my circle, my friends, my juniors, my subordinates, even at times my seniors, they had personal problem, they used to come to me, and after that they were like, I found a very good friend in you. So I want to continue with this in a bigger circle. uh, Coming to health goals, so my health comprises of all the things, which is like, uh, sir, I can't see the slide,
You just
which is
explain.
mind, body, and soul. So obviously, I need to exercise more. I need to reduce my weight by at least 6 kgs, and I need to maintain my thyroid levels. My family health is very important to me because, yeah, there were some problems in the family, but I want to overcome all those things. Now, mental health, yeah, reading is one thing which I've been doing, but yeah, the level needs to increase. So at least I need to devote 1 hour per day in reading. And healthy food has always been there in my mind. Whatever is there, my even my daughters, they're like very fuzzy eaters, but still I try to give them nutrition through one or the other thing. Now, coming to relationships, this is my family. We have been traveling a lot. So this is the picture portrays a happy family. So we have lot of travel destinations still in mind, which needs to be covered, domestic as well as international. This picture is of my elder daughter, who is 15 years old, and she is a skilled Bharatanatyam dancer. So along with her education, I want to first see her as an eminent Bharatanatyam dancer. So yeah, that is, I wish to see her in that ways. This is the second picture, which is not very clear. My younger daughter, who is 12 years old, she is standing on number one position in a school tournament. She's won that, and she's a squash player. So I want to see her as a number one squash player in India, so that she gets scholarship from various eminent universities also, and then she represents India in squash tournaments across the country. And for relationship, it's not only my family, my extended family is my friends. These are pictures of my school friends, collage of all my school friends, and my class photographs. So I intend to have reunion with my friends, because friends are someone with whom you can be yourself. So these are basically my objectives in life. And there are two pictures along with the center picture. One is I want to one accolades which say that I am a woman of substance and an eminent speaker at the various schools and universities. So these are my goals. I would like to end with 4 lines, that is, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, everybody.